Next, we're going to start assembling our bunnies. The first step is to attach the safety eyes. We're placing the eyes between round 9 and round 10. You can use a sewing pin to mark the center position first, and then install them symmetrically based on your preference. Once the eyes are positioned where you want them, make sure to flip your work over and snap the backings on securely. Next, grab your stuffing. We're going to start by stuffing the head. The amount you use is completely up to your personal preference. Now, grab the body piece. We're going to stuff this with fiber fill as well, using the same firmness or softness you used for the head. You can also add a small amount of stuffing to the bunny's arms and feet. You don't need too much, just enough to give them some shape. Remember, you only need to add a little bit of stuffing right at the very top section to give them some shape. Once all the pieces are stuffed, it's time to start the assembly. Let's start by taking out the 2 feet. First, decide on the placement based on your own preference, and use a sewing pin to mark those desired spots. Once the placement is finalized, thread the long yarn tail we left when crocheting onto your tapestry needle. and began sewing the pieces onto the body. Pull the yarn end through the body and cut the working yarn close to the surface. Gently massage the area to let the yarn tail disappear inside the stuffing. Now, repeat the exact same method to attach the second foot. Once both feet are attached, we can start sewing on the arms. The position of the arms can be placed based on your personal preference, maybe higher up or lower down the body. Once you decide on the spot, you can begin sewing the arms on. Now, repeat the exact same method to attach the second arm. Next, we'll begin sewing the head onto the body. Take your time to align the head so it sits straight and centered on the body. Once you have it aligned, thread one of the long yarn's tails onto your needle and begin seaming the two pieces together. Once the head is attached, give it a little squeeze and adjustment to make sure your bunny looks natural and settled. Next, we'll move on to sewing the ears. We'll position the ears round 4 of the head. But again, feel free to adjust this based on your personal preference. Once the placement is set, you can begin sewing them on. Once both ears are sewn on, we have just one final step left. We're going to split our 4-ply yarn down into 2 strands. Thread one of those strands onto your tapestry needle. And we can begin embroidering the nose. We will embroider the nose directly in the center, between the eyes. You can pin the shape first if you need to, then start embroidering. And there you have it, our adorable bunny is complete. Congratulations on finishing your new amigurumi friend.